it's Nick. It is vlog number 20. It is 3:34 p.m. I have not done anything today. Actually, that's a lie. I cleaned, organized my cupboards so they actually look decent. Oh yeah, last night me and my brother were fighting, and when I fight with people, I clean. Or like when I'm angry, I decide to clean sometimes, and I organize my fridge in the process, and organize my entire kitchen. And y'all did that. I did that all at like midnight. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I just want to start this vlog. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making supper right now. I'm making beef. It's called beef noodle, but it's beef stroganoff. I can't think about that too long because that just sounds dirty in my head. I'm not gonna say it again. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. See ya. It's Nick. I haven't done anything today. It is 10:58 p.m. right now. I am feeding my cats. I'm gonna set you guys down. Maybe. I can hold you guys and do this. I only need one hand. Hold you guys with my left hand, and I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna try and do this with my left hand. This is really weird. I can't open this can. Okay. Set you guys right here while I talk to this. That's right, I'm doing this with my right hand, but I have to hold it with something, don't I? Here, I'll be right back. My brother just went to the bathroom, clearly. So, yeah, I haven't done much. I'm just trying to record for this video. This is my mother's bed. Sorry, I'm trying to open my fridge. There we go. Oh yeah, I've got pineapple. There are 2 pineapples that have been in here for about a month. Nobody put them up. Of course not. So, yeah. Trying to think of what to say. I'm gonna go upstairs. I don't know who's up there, so I'm gonna be quiet. Okay? 1 minute. So, yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I haven't done anything interesting. These vlogs get more boring and more boring, don't they? That's not proper. They get boringer and boringer. That sounds terrible. I don't know. Okay, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. This is the end of vlog number 20. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And while you're down there, if you subscribe, which I hope you do, I highly recommend it. So I try and post every day except for Fridays and Sundays. Sometimes I even post on Fridays accidentally. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hit the turn on post notifications, or click that bell to get a notification every time I upload a video. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.